Have you heard of Emperador coffee brand?
Yeah, actually, I've heard about it a year ago through social media. Baka siya naabot sa Cebu, so like we were looking for it until naanadjud. So, I've heard of it.
Wala po ko ka-try niya, but I'm so excited to try it on.
Yes, and I'm looking forward to try it.
It tastes like coffee, and it went viral, sad. I remember seeing it all over my feed.
Today you'll be trying the Emperador Premium Cocktail Winter Latte made with Emperador Coffee Brand. Hindi na baka.
Sure, bring it on.
Parat na.
I love coffee, so I'm excited.
Emperador, let's go.
So, appearance pa lang ganidaan kay lami na siya.
Seeing this one right now, it looks like a milk tea actually, and it's light and it looks sweet.
I love it. I love coffee. I love iced latte. So seeing this excites me, and I'm so excited to try it. Okay, nasa din gripo-gripo that I really like.
Laisyo nga pasirit-sirit ring napita.
So, if you're a coffee lover and then pala tagay, this is a perfect drink for you. So, why choose one when you can have both, diba?
That's good. That is good. This is a nice mix. Wow.
May mga persons kasi na hindi gusto ng too much alcohol content. Pwede nyo naman siyang i-adjust sa ingredients.
If you're the type of person na ganahan kang naisipa ang imong mga alcoholic drinks, then this is for you.
How was your experience making and tasting the drink?
Again, if you are into coffee at the same time, pala tagay, nindot yun siya.
It's really easy to make because the ingredients that we put with the Emperador coffee, it's really accessible, like nara sa balay, sa tindahan, sa groceries.
So, lingaw idea no na naghimo kog alcoholic na latte. Perfect sa siya himuon with your friends this holiday season.
What are your final thoughts on the drink?
For me, it's a wow because it's easier to make with ingredients na makita rin na to sa kusina.
Ang Winter Latte is a premium tasting drink perfect for the barkada get-together this holiday season. Winter Latte is a wow for me.
Emperador Winter Coffee Latte is a wow for me.
Emperador Winter Coffee Latte is a big wow for me. Bye guys.
Happy holidays mga Bai! If you enjoyed today's Bai Tries episode, ayaw nagka-wow! React, share, and tag your friends in the comment section down below. And if any of you guys are interested in any of the Emperador festive premium cocktails featured and want to recreate them at home with your barkada this holiday season, make sure to visit emperadorBrandy.com/elevated Emperador experience for the full recipe. Enjoy mga Bai!